conquer with final battle with Grand Final 1 in day 1, the American Cup 2026. So between with Friendship Close International Master Alice Lee versus International Master Kari Said. So what do you think about this Grand Finals 1 with day 1? So let's study up this play chess here. White pieces with Lee versus black pieces in Yip in USA. So two games analyzed here. So the score with Grand Finals Day 1 between Lee versus Yip 2-all because the game 1 and 2 draw 3 and 4. So it means win and wins. So the score 2-all of this occurrences score. So today is game number 5 here. So never mind by game number 7. So it means it is not about 3 games analyzed without chooses 2 games analyzed here. So I'm very tired with 3 games here. So 2 games analyzed between game 5 to 6. So without blitz here with grand finals here within day 1 between 3 minutes plus 2 seconds increment without time clocks here. So in this part of these videos here, we have analyzed of the standings after the grand finals day 1, the American Cup 2026. So white plays Lee is d4, g6 by Yip, e4, bishop g7, knight f3, and also pawn d6, bishop e2 with Lee without upcoming by, next playing castling kingside here, and also knight f6 with Yip by next up castling. So this is a castling next first. It is called by this one with openings modern defense standard 2 knights variation. So this is a variations here, and also knight c3 with Lee, a6 with Yip, and also pawn a4, b6. So this is a novelty with Yip of this positional recording by master opening here. So this is the old main lines by 3 types of these old main lines is bishop g4, second knight c6, third symbolized castling kingside. So this is a 3 types of these old main lines. Without fourth novelty b6 out of this book line with Yip here, and also push e5 with Lee without threatening the double knights and pawns. So this is a double attacks here, and also knight fd7. So does not like of this computer engine with Yip. So the one's computer captured this pawn, d takes e5, the knight captured pawn, and also rook a7, so etc etc. So this is a good slightly batters for blacks. So back there is knight fd7 with Yip takes brand x move with Lee. So the branded is bishop c4 here. So this is a bishop c4. So this is a good advantage for white. So without continuations here, so it means before knight to g5. So without bishop threatening the pawns here with check with kings here. So this is a good advantage for whites. Without capture this pawn with Lee, takes with Yip, castling with Lee, castling with Yip, rook e1 because this is a upwards by pin without rook e files here. And also with knight c6 here, and also bishop c4, good move with Lee. So this is a late move here. And knight f6 with Yip, and also knight d5, more pressures by without knights, without attacks the knights, and knights without threatening the pawn. So this is a double attacks here. And bishop b7 with Yip. Without explain, for example, sir, why don't we knight capture? Because I challenged by knight to knights here. Bishop captured knights. Without bishop threatening the knights, pins the rooks here. Without defense, bishop to p7. More of this one with defense here. So this is a good explanations for examples here. So this is a good ones of this computer. Without bishop b7 defense of these knights here, and without bishop g5 with Lee, without threatening the knights here, because this is a movement by this one with diagonals by dark square, bishop g5 with Lee here. And with Yip is knight captured challenge full, bishop takes, and also rook e8 with Yip, because rook e8, more of this one with pins by rook e file. So this is a more of this one situations by interesting here. And also c3, defense of this pawn, queen d7. So this is a good move with Yip. Bishop backwards e4 with Lee, and also knight to a5 with Yip. So without plannings here, without next by maneuvers knight to c4, threatening the pawns. So this is a more controls here. So this is a determinations by positional move here. And also with more controls is knight d2. I'm sorry, I forgot. So it means, so knight a5. I forgot something. So it means bishop to bishop with a challenge full. So this is a challenge here. And with knight d2 with d. So without explain for examples here. So in idea, sir, why don't we bishop captured? Because the bishop threatening the rook. So with a challenge by diagonals by light square. Queen captured bishop. So this is a good examples here. Without idea with Lee, knight d2 here, and yet is bishop captured accepted, knight takes, pawn to d5 attacks the knights, knight go backs with Lee, pawn to e6 with Yip, bishop f4, more determinations here, and also rook ac8, more determinations by this one with Yip, and also queen e2. Without idea by next bishop to e5. Because the queen's behind the rooks here. Without knight to c4, without threatening the knights, knight takes captured, rook takes, queen go back d1 with Lee, battery, rook ec8, and also queen b3, good move with Lee. So this is a queen b3 here, without idea here, without idea with free pawns without attacks the pawns here. So this is a more of these tempos attacks. And also with queen c6 defense of these pawns with Yip, h3 without good precise here, pawn to h5 without next by this one with sacrifice. I don't know what sacrifice by this one with g5 without next move here. And also with bishop e5 without the diagonals with dark square with bishop to bishop challenge full, and avoided with Yip. Without explain here. So if you bishop captured, why don't we bishop takes c5 here? And also rook captured bishop. If you pawn to b5 here, threatening the pawns, captured, captured. So this is a good explanations for example here. So back to this one is avoided with bishop f8 with Yip, go back with queen d1 with Lee, and also pawn b5 attacks these pawns, captured, takes, bad move. So the best move is eating the queen captured here. Queen takes b5. Without queens threatening the pawns, and without idea rook a2. So this is a good, slightly better for whites and blacks here. Without capture this pawn with Yip here, rook a7, strong move. This is a wrong decisions with Lee. Without decisions, pawn g4. So this is a g4 here. So this is a more controls. If you capture this pawn, so it means captured. So this is a openings with kings here. So this is a good, slightly better for whites here. Rook a7 here with strong move here. So this is a very long strong move with Lee. And go back bishop to g7. So this is a X move. Worst move again with Yip. Without branded best is bishop to d6. More of this one with bishop to bishop here. So if you avoided by this one with bishop f6 here. And also with rook c7. Challenge by rook to rook here. So this is a challenge by rook to rook here. If you queen d2 here, brilliant here. Brilliant by queen d2. So this is a brilliant here. And also with bishop to e7. Brilliant. Another brilliant here with bishop e7. Bishop e5. Brilliant again with threatening the rook. So this is a threats the rooks here. And without more of this one with bishop e6. So cannot let down here. So this is a good, slightly better here with more controls with blacks here. So this is according this one by computer engine here. Okay, so back there this one is bishop g7 with a challenge by bishop to bishop. Queen f3, good move. Good move by Lee. Rook f8. Why? Because queen f3. So this is a queen f3 good move. With that idea, we threats the pawns with check. So this is a check because this is a protects of this one with rooks. With the defense by Yip is rook to f8. So this is a more defense here by no more by queen captured pawns here. So this is a defense of this rook with pawns. So this is a protect of this one with rook with pawns here. And with Alice is bishop captured threatening the rooks, king takes, and also rook a1 battery, so does not like of this computer engine. So the best move is g4 again. What happened with Lee? So g4 is a best move here. Okay, so back there is rook a e1 battery, and without more b4 bad move. What happened with Yip? Why is she bad move here? With the best move, this one is rook a4 here. So this is a rook to rook. If you pawn b4 here, and also rook captured with check, and rook takes captured challenge full here. So this is a good slightly better for blacks here. So this is in continuations here. Okay, so back there, this one is b4 so without attacks with sacrifice, and also rook 1 a6 without threatening the queen's worst move. Rook e7 is a best move. So rook e7 here. So rook e7 is a best move. So this is a controls. So this is a good slightly better for whites here. Rook 1 a6 battery with that idea with threats the queen. So without Alice Lee, time clocks 1 minute plus 2 seconds with Alice Lee, and 15.7 seconds with Carissa Yip here. So this is a dying seconds with blacks here. Let's continue. Rook 1 a6, queen c8 with Yip, and also queen f4 with Lee. With that idea with queens, queen e5. So next by this one with queen e5 here. So queen e5 is a next move with check. So this is a queen a5. Queen e5 with check. So this is a positional move with solid move here. Captured, rook takes, and also rook b6. Okay, good move precise here with Lee here. And also with queen e8. Wait. So it means queen a8 here. So it means this is a defense of this pawn. So it means, so if you rook b6 here without queens here, so this is a more threatening the what's the threat. So it means rook captured here. So if you rook captured pawns with check, so this is a check here. So if you rook captured, so this is a cannot captured here. So rook b6 here, and rook b6, queen e8. So this is a defense of this pawn. So does not like of this computer with Yip. So the one's computer is king g8 here. So king g8 is a once of this computer. So this is a good slightly better for blacks. Queen a8 defense of this pawn with Yip. Rook bb7 with an idea with threatening the pawns with check with Alice Lee. So another worse move. So the best move this one is queen e5 with check here. So this is a look at the evolution bar. So this is a highest of this one with a currency with white pieces here. So if you king to g8 here, with first by rook bb7, later with rook bb7, b4, queen, first by queen e5 with check here. So this is a more controls with check. So this is a good slightly better for whites here. Okay, rook bb7 here, brand X move. Excelente is pawn e5 with a threatening the queens. Takes rook c4. Oh no, so this is Mr. Blunderatious. Oh my god. So this is a double question mark here. So it means Blunderatious. So look at evaluation bar, very low, with plus highest evaluation bar with whites here. So it means that the best move this one is queen e6 here. What a Hermes move with Carissa Yip. And with the decided is king to h2. So this is a goods for blacks here. Okay, rook c4, Blunderatious with rook with a threatening the queens. The first guessing puzzle, what do you think about the sacrifice? Excelente with the, so while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Queen f6 check. Excelente. So excelente move here. King g8 and e6. Oh my god, with that idea threatening the pawns here. So this is a very dangerous for blacks here. Rook c1 check with yip. King h2. And also with more controls is queen c6 here. And the last move with game number 5, queen takes g6. Brilliant. So it means loss of this one with game number 5. So resigns with Karisait. So why she resigns? For example, if you king h8 only move, queen h6 check. If you king g8 here, rook captured here. If you rook captured, accepted, captured, mating net pawns here. So mating net here. So this is a mating net. Another. Okay, another. If you capture this pawn, sacrifice with queens here. And also rook g7 check. If you king h8, rook to h7 check here. If you king g8, rook a g7 mating net. Second mating net, game over with blacks here. Okay, score with Alice 3 and Karisait 2. So 3 and 2. So it means next game number 6 here. So next proceed with next up this one with proceed here. Okay, white pieces with yip and black pieces with Li. So it means game number 6 here with outstandings with grand finals day 1 here. So white plays yip is e4, e5 by Li, knight c3 Vienna games, and also knight c6, g3, knight f6. It is called by Vienna games max large Paulsen variation. So it means this is a Paulsen here. So Paulsen variation. So it means book line. Bishop g2 with yip here. So it means this is a defense here. And also pawn g6. So I thought slow move here. So g6 is a novelty with Li here. Without old main lines here is bishop to c5. So without bishop c5 here. So bishop c5 is a old main lines. Without second is g6 novelty. So it means this is a disappearance by recording by book lines here. And also with knight ge2 with yip, without upcoming by next playing castling king side here. Bishop g7 with Li upcoming by castling king side here. And also with more controls castling, and also d3, pawn d6 with Li, and also f4 strong move with yip. Takes, bishop captured, knight d7. So this does not like of this computer. What happened with Li? Bad move. Without apparently the best is pawn to h6 here. So this is a good determinations here. So this is a good slightly better score blacks here. Okay, knight d7 with Li. Without next by this one with maneuvers knight to b6, or maybe here by knight to c5. So this is a next maneuver with Li. And yip is pawn d4. Okay, with that idea by next by this one with d5. Strong move with Karisait. And also knight b6, good move with Li here. And also b3 by next by this one with a4. So this is a next move here. Bishop to g4, more threatening the knights. Queen d2, good move. And also d5, another bad move with Li. So the best move this one is queen d7 here, later from d5 here. So this is a queens with an idea with rook to a d8, or maybe rook f d8 here with queens behind the rooks here. So this is a good slightly better for blacks here. Okay, so back there this one is d5 And another excelente with Carissa is push e5. So never buy this one with capture this pawn. This is a good excelente with this one with Yip here. Queen d7 with Lee. So look at the move. So this is a late move. Pawn to a4 with Carissa by next by a5. Strong move with Carissa Yip. And also a5 to stop with more controls because this is a pawn a5 with Alice Lee here. And also with bishop to h6, more of this one very strong with Carissa threatening the diagonal's dark square. And also knight d8. Without explaining, for example, in idea, why don't we bishop capture? This is a more controls, for example. Queen captured bishop and also with bishop to f5. So this is a good example here. Okay, so back there, this one is knight to d8. Okay, knight d8 here. So this is a more continuations. And also bishop captured, king takes, and also knight to f4. Good move with Carissa Yip. Without idea with knights threatening the pawn. So this is a pawns here, or maybe here by knights threats. Threats the pawns, bishop captured here. So this is a next of this triple. So this is a one pawn here. And also knight e6 here. Okay, knight e6 with Alice Lee, or maybe without idea with threatening the knights here. So this is a threats here. So threatening the knight. So this is a counters attacks with challenge by knight to knight. And wait. Okay. So this is the problem my laptop. So knight e6, knight takes captured pawn. So for example, if your knight captured here, why don't we continue knight takes e6 check? And with captured here. So captured is f takes e6. So if you rook captured accepted, rook takes captured. So this is a goods for slightly examples here. Okay, so back there, this one is knight captured with threatening the knights, knight takes, rook a d8. So this is a good precise with Alice Lee. And also pawn to c3 by next of this one with b4. So this is a next of this maneuver here with a pawn b4. Queen c8 go back with Alice. And also knight f6. Very strong move with Carissa Yip. So this is a good for determinations. Without knights, without threatening the bishop. So this is a threat here. So according to this one, so very strong move with Carissa Yip here. And also knight c5 sacrifice. So I do sacrifice here. So it means sacrifice with Alice. So do not capture with knights because rook pins with queens. So this is a queenless, lost by queens here. So this is a avoided here. Be careful with queens here. And with Carissa Yip is queen g5 with the defense of this knight. Bishop e2 with Lee. So this is a very strong. Without bishop, without threatening the rook. So this is a threats here. And without Alice is captured one piece down with Carissa Yip. Bishop captured rook. One rook down with Yip. Rook takes. Queen e6. So this is a threatening with knights here. And also c4. And also pawn h6 with Lee with a threatening the queens. Queen f4, pawn to c6, bishop f3, queen e7, and also bishop e4. Okay? Queen takes captured pawn. Why? Because without queens, without threatening the free pawns here. So this is a more of this one with free attacks this one. So it means bishop e4, queen takes captured pawn. So this is a more captured with free pawns. Or maybe without captured with check. So with that queen takes c5 check, king g2, and also queen d4. Without idea, or maybe without idea by queen d2. So it means without check here. Or maybe without queen d2 with challenge by queen to queen with check. So this is a check here by next of this one with queens. And also with knight g4 with Carissa Yip here. Queen d2 check with Alice Lee. Without Alice Lee here. So it means queen d2 check here. Or maybe with queen d2 check, so it means more challenge by queen to queen here. And also with rook f2. So I will explain for example, if a queen takes capture, why don't we continue queen takes d2? And rook capture with d2 with check, rook f2 with defense, and battery here by rook f8. So this is a good examples here. With a rook f2 with a threatening the queens, and accept by Lee, queen takes captured, rook d4 with that idea threatening the bishop here. So this is a threat. So threatening the bishop. And also knight to f6 with Carissa here. So with a more of the strong move. Battery by Lee, rook fd8. And also king to f3 with Carissa. And also rook d1. Okay, rook d1 here. And also king e3, rook e1 check, and rook e2. With more challenge by rook to rook and avoided with Lee. So why don't we try rook capture? It is okay. If your rook takes e2 check, king takes captured, and also with king to f8. So this is a examples here. So back there is rook c1 avoided with Alice here. Rook c2 cannot let down by D. So it means rook c2 without catching with challenge by rook to rook, so does not like of this computer with Yip. Because this is a catching by rook to rook. So the one's computer is bishop to c2. So bishop c2, not catching by rook to rook. So this is a good slightly better for whites here. Okay, so back there, this one is rook c2 without challenge by, cannot let down with Alice Lee, so it means catching by rook to rook. Avoided with Lee without threatening the pawns. Rook c3, good move. Rook e1 checking. f2 attacks the rooks. Rook a1. Rook g3, another bad move with Yip. So this is a more continuations here. So the one's computer is pawn h4 occurrence. So this is a occurrence move here. So this is a good slightly better for whites here. There's something the brand out here. So no electricity here. So this is the problem, brand out. Okay, back there, this one is rook g3 here with Carissa Yip, and also with rook d2 check. So this is a bad move with Lee. So the best move is rook a2 check. Rook a2 check here. If you king f3, and also with more controls with rook captured pawns here. So this is a kings without king f3, and also with continue rook captured pawn. I thought the back of this electricity by this one, the brand out. So rook captured h2. So this is a good slightly better for whites and blacks here. I thought both by whites and blacks here. Okay, back there, this one is rook d2 with check here, bad move with Alice Lee. King e3 with Carissa Yip, attacks the rooks. Rook b2 without threatening the pawn to b3, threatening attacks here with counters attacks. And also with king d4 with Carissa Yip, and continue rook takes captured with Lee. King c5, and also with rook f1 with that idea with Alice Lee with threatening the pawns here. So it means so three pieces here. So three minor pieces with rooks, bishop, and knights with Carissa Yip, and double rooks with Alice Lee here. So rook f1 here, and also f5. Okay, f5 here. So it means so cannot captured with pawns here. Cannot capture this pawn, so it means pinning with kings with check here. So this is a more controls with check. And push by g5 with Alice. Knight to g4 with a knight g4 with that idea with a threatening the rooks here, with threatening the rooks, and also with rook to h4. So this is a avoided with Alice Lee here. And f6 with check, king to f8, and also king d6. So this is a brand X move. So this is a wrong decisions with Carissa Yip. So the one's computer is rook d3 here. So this is a good precise here. So this is a according this one, so etc etc. So this is a goods for whites here. So without back there is king d6 with Carissa Yip, without next by property active with king 2 c7 without threatening the pawn. So this is a more of this king here. This is a provide here by this one. Okay, this is a provide. King d6 here, and also rook f4 with Lee. Without idea with rooks threatening the bishop here. Without threats the bishop, and also bishop f3 with Carissa Yip. Rook takes captured sacrifice with Lee. Rook takes. So it means one rook down with Lee. So it means rooks, knights, and one rook only with Lee here. Rook captured knight. And also king c7. And also pawn to h5. So bad move with Alice Lee here. So the best move this one is rook to e4. Rook e4 without threading the pawns here. So if you rook d3 here, and also with rook captured pawn, so this is a good slightly better for blacks here. Okay, back there, this one is pawn to h5 with Lee, rook d3 with Carissa Yip, king g8, and also rook d8 check, very strong move with Carissa Yip. What a wins with Carissa. And also king h7, and also with e6, good move by next by this one with push by this one with e7, promotes the queens here. So this is a very strong, so it means wins for white with Carissa Yip. And also with king to g6 here. Okay, so the last guessing puzzle, what do you think about the last move with Excelente before resigns with Alice Lee here? So this is a last move here. Second guessing puzzle, so while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. So the last move is e7, upcoming by promotes with queens. So surrender by give up by Alice Lee. So why she surrender? Because if you can capture, only move with Lee and promotes with queens, so fatal. So it means black, game over. I hope Alice Lee will wins up this grand finals with A1. So the score, Yip and Lee tie all with 3 points. So it means, so the score with Yip 4 points and Lee is 3 points. So it means, so not yet done. So don't worry. Proceed by this one with rematch day 2 with grand finals number 2 here. So it means one game analyzed here. So it means, so who was the win? So it means grand finals day 2, so who win by champion against money funds here. Okay, so I have a problem. So this is I play online chess, my schoolmates. So I thought I lose of these games here. So 2 games my playing online. Look at the picture. So the score 833 rating. So I thought I'm very frustrated my losing games here. So I will gain my online chess here between next time. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm MarkLogin17, aka IcoMark17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of these next chess updates. Happy Saturday. Bye-bye.